Well, well, well. What have we got there? She's definitely doing it right. No, not again. Wrong again. Oh yeah, perfect. Hey, what are you doing? Take that. Serves you right. No way. You can't beat me. Oops. I think it's over. That's right. You don't stand a chance. I need to hide. Here we go. You can't get me here. Wow, it's nice in here. What about making a room here? We just need to choose the right color. Catch this. That's for you. That's great. Pink. Then I'll have blue. Now that's lucky. High five. All right, let's do it. Oh, look. I got Huggy Wuggy. Cool. I got Kissy Missy. Let's do it. Wow, ice cream. Yummy. And now the wallpaper. Oops, this is wrong. Here we go. That's better. This is going to be awesome. I think that's it. And now the houses need to be decorated. Let's take some colorful decor. Arrange the pretty things and attach the LED lights. Wow, it looks very nice. Come on. On 1, 2, 3, lights on. Wow, I think we did it. Good afternoon. Do you have anything pink or blue? Of course, come and see. No, it just doesn't match at all. Just look at it. You're right. It's last season. What do they know about fashion? No, please, be careful. What are you doing? Look, Julia, I think I found something. Hey, do you even update your stock? Jeez, how many times? I have to take a picture. I'm going to teach you a lesson. Here, please wrap it up. And this, and that. No, stop, one at a time. Oh, stop! Oh! Oops, sorry. Here, is that enough? Take the money. Just calm down. Julia, it's time to get out of here. Really? Good riddance. Unbearable. They must be kidding me. Well, now you're going to answer for everything. All right, it's done. Here, take it. That's for you. What? More? There you go. Now it's your turn. You're in trouble too. All right, here you go. I've got a surprise for you. Oh, yeah? There's a load off my mind. I need to calm down. Wow, that's perfect. Total relaxation. This is so good. Anti-stress and herbal teas are the best thing ever. Good afternoon. What can I do for you? We need tickets to this movie and all the popcorn. Of course, no problem. Here you go. Don't forget the popcorn. Enjoy the show. Oh yeah, now I can relax. This is great. It's so relaxing. Feels like I'm in the Maldives. It's a dream come true. Well, cheers. That's amazing. Perfect. Hello? Anybody here? Your ticket? Okay. No one wants to work. I think that worked out. I love my job. It's time to eat. Wow, we bought a lot of stuff. Oh yes, it's the best haul I've had in a long time. Pink marshmallows, these are delicious. Oh, it's too spicy. This has everything I need. Here we go. Now you can drink up. I think Liana would like some soda too. I have an idea. Oh, drink delivery. That's great! Thank you! I also have something to share. There you go! Come on! Wow, is that for me? It's so good! There's just something missing. Movie day! How about it? Now we have something to do. Wow, did you see that? It's totally awesome! Look! How does he do that? That's crazy! It's so cozy in here. Oh, yes. We didn't do it in vain. Do you want some candy? Well, you're right. More for me. Great! And yet, it was a great idea. Wow, it's unbelievable. How's that for a movie theater? Oops, what was that? My tooth! It hurts so bad! Help me! You look like you need to see a doctor. after. May I?
Yes, of course. Come in. What have we got here?
My friend broke her tooth.
It's terrible. See? That's it. What am I going to do?
Let me see. The situation is disastrous. No more sugar at all.
How am I supposed to do that?
Hand over the candy, now.
No, please, don't do this.
Do you want to lose your teeth? Fine, eat every last piece of candy. That's great. Forget all sugary food. Now just fruit and vegetables. Here, take a look. From now on, this will be your diet.
This won't be your diet. Blah, blah, blah.
And now I'll show you how to brush your teeth properly. Here, watch. From top to bottom, very carefully. Here you go. You'll need this.
Did you hear that? From top to bottom. Memorize it.
I'll give you a prescription.
Prescription? I don't understand.
No sugar at all. And no chocolate.
No chocolate? You've got to be kidding. I can't do that.
This isn't a joke. I'm so sorry.
That's it. I've had enough. Let's get out of here.
See you again. Wonderful. We've got a new addition. I love candy. Oh, yes. Chocolate on chocolate. I've waited so long for this. Oh, perfect. This is so delightful. Now that's what I'm talking about.
Interesting stuff. We might need it. Hello? Over! Wow! Oh my gosh! Tea? My favorite tea! Oh no! Help! What's that? I have a great idea. Let's go! Where did that sound come from? Whoa! A note? Wow! Nice messenger, isn't it? I made it myself. That's right! I like it. Here we go. This'll be much more comfortable. Great! The note is ready. It's time to act. I think something is about to happen. Yes! Oh, there's a message for you. Well, I know how to answer it. What's taking so long? Hey, message not delivered. Ready? Loaded? Fire! Where are you? No! Oh, what is it? Help me! That's not fair. I'll show you.
Oh, that was so funny. You should have seen yourself.
Well, we'll see who's who. Hello? Is anybody there? What's that? A voice call? Hello? I'm listening. I'm going to get you now. Let's turn on the vacuum cleaner. I can't hear anything. Say it again.
Oh no, my cheek.
Oh, please don't. Let go.
Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Serves you right. Take that.
That's it. I've had enough. This is war.
Oops. What are you doing?
Oops. The delivery system's down.
Let's go. We need a mechanic. Look, I think that's him. Hurry up. Good afternoon. We need your help right away.
Really? Let's see what you've got here.
Here you go. This car is very precious to us.
Let's fix it. I need the key. There! I think this is what we need. Oh, my cars. I completely forgot about them. No, not now. I don't have time for that. You have to, Alex. He's waiting for you. Well, maybe just for a minute.
Uh-huh.
Awesome! Let's go! No! Help! There's an accident! Vroom! Sharp turn! This is getting risky.
It's taking too long.
Oops! Sorry, I got a little distracted. We'll fix it, don't worry.
Look, I think it's ready.
There you go. You can have it.
That's great. What would we do without you? We have to do something to thank you. Of course. Here you go. This is for you.
A Lego set? Thank you! I've been dreaming about it for a long time. See ya! Come again! Awesome. I'm so happy.
Tough day. Couldn't hurt to get some rest. Stop! That won't do. Exactly. Of course. Julia, we need curtains.
Are you serious?
Of course I am. Imagine how great it would be. You're right. Let's do it. Well, we're all set. Now our rooms are really secret. Julia, now let's take care of security. We need an alarm. Let's pull the fishing line tighter. Great! No uninvited guests. It's ready! Here we go. Oh, so quiet and peaceful. It's time to study. I'm glad no one's bothering me. Hey, what's that noise? Julia, what's wrong? No, that won't do. We've got to find out what's going on. Wow! Oh my gosh, she's so talented. Hey, Julia, keep it down. I'm studying here.
I can't. It's such great music.
I don't get it. Where are all these noises coming from? We should go down and see. Oops! What is that? It's nothing supernatural, just a normal alarm system.
No, not that. The alarm system. I have to tell Liana. Send a note. So, it's all clear here. Nothing complicated. Wow, a message from Julia. Oh no, Daddy's coming. Alarm! Red alert! Emergency disguise!
Oh, this is weird. Why is it so dark? Oh, girls, you scared me. Are you studying?
Yes, Daddy.
The topic is very interesting. Well, good for you. I'll leave you to it.
Phew. High five. I think we got away with it. Wow, this is a great party. Woohoo! Yeah, let's turn it up.
I think I'm gonna pass. I've got better things to do.
Yeah.
Come on, fish, don't let me down. Those party people don't understand me. Luck is on my side tonight. Come on, just a little more. Great.
Yeah.
Oh yes, I did it. Look, it's beautiful. Oops,
Oh.
yeah, I know, it's a little weird. Well, why are you standing here? Let's keep the fun going.
Julia, I think someone's here. Come on, let's go take a look. Who's there? Mom? It can't be.
Close it, Liana. You're in the way.
Come on, go away. Dad, what are you doing here?
Not now,
Hey.
sweetie. I'm very busy. I have rehearsal.
No, did you see that? What's going on here? They took our secret rooms.